Hi, this is Stephanie Toman. This is the final video in the series with regard to the process of what happens with the ICDL certificate. So you've gone through your postgraduate course and you've done all of the learning, we've been registered, you've gone into your learning pack, done lots of practice as well in there, taken a diagnostic assessment, which is standing for your core test or for your module. You've passed maybe the first time, hopefully, fingers crossed, or second time maybe. So once that's passed, you've passed your module. There is no need to do any more of the diagnostic assessment because they're all exactly the same assessment anyway. So you're at that point where you've passed your module and you think, I've got the registration, I've got all the learning materials, I've done those mainly. I could even do them a little bit more if I decide to take the certification test. And you can even do another assessment, a diagnostic assessment if you have one there. So if you do decide, we do an option whether you can take these tests yourself. So if you want to do the data analytics, if that's the one you did, or the big data, we can arrange that online test for you. It's using the same package, it's using the same software, and it is an invigilated test by BCS trained invigilators. It can be taken on campus in our test centre and remotely if there is no way that you can get to our test centre. So we do have another means of doing it, another method, but generally it's better to do it in the test centre. But if you haven't got the ability to do that for whatever reason, you might live at the other end of the country, or you just might not be able to get there for whatever reason, then we can arrange that for you. We would have to check your device because they need to be able to run the diagnostic test, and it needs to be a Windows operating system in order to do that, with sound obviously and a webcam. So once we know that your device is okay, we would be able to arrange remote testing. If you come to our test centre in the EEC building, ECG 36, you may see it in your travels. It's a white room, a bit like a sort of medical room, but it's not, of course. And it's spaced out for this process of testing the ICDL according to regulations. The online test will give you an instant result, so you will know that you've passed. And in this case, you will get a mark. And if you're doing this for yourself, your mark will be 75% and above. So 75% is actually the pass mark. And you will get the certificate and a badge for you to use in any way that you wish, generally on LinkedIn and CVs. So the data analytics online test is approximately 20 questions, multiple choice, live applications, that includes Excel, and Power BI questions. So there's an element to the visualization in that. But you'll see all of this in the learning. Duration is 45 minutes. And as I said, you've got a pass mark that you get instantly, so you will know that you've passed. Okay. The big data online test, if that's the one you've done, 20 questions, multiple choice questions, because it's very much a terminology sort of module, and it's about insights into the big data, and the duration is 30 minutes, and you also have a pass mark of 75%. So when we take tests in our test centre, we have everything set up for you. You come along at a time that we've allocated for you, and then you take a seat. We make sure that everybody logs in. You all have a key to access your test, because obviously you can't access certified tests without permission. Then you would sit your test and get an instant result. And once you've got your result, you can up and leave. So we look after you. You don't have to worry about anything. So if you do decide to, please let us know when you're ready after you've done all of your other things, and we can get that organised for you. Some of you even may have it organised by your lecturers or module leaders, because some of them would book you in if that's convenient for you. So these are our contact details. All of this stuff that I've done on all the series of the videos will go up on an Aula page within your course, for Aula course code, So if you look on there, you'll see a page dedicated to the ICDL, and you'll get all your information there, including how to contact us. So hopefully there's enough information for you to get started, know what you're doing, but if not, you can always contact us and we're more than happy to help. We have things like drop-ins as well. That'll all be on your Owler page if you need to come and have some one-to-one support. We do that on Wednesdays, the same time every week. So you can get all of that extra information as well. You're not left to do this completely on your own, but you can choose to do it independently. Okay, hopefully I've helped with understanding what's going on, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.